Hi everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am back with a fun and easy strawberry dessert that you guys are going to love. I'll be making my strawberry cupcakes with strawberry buttercream, and these are so incredibly delicious, loaded with lots of strawberry flavor. We're going to make the cake with diced strawberries and strawberry extract, and then top the cupcakes with a strawberry buttercream made with strawberry jam. You guys are going to be blown away with all this incredible flavor. These cupcakes are perfect for summer, but really you can enjoy them any time of the year. Let's get started and I'll show you just how easy these are to make. And I already have my oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to get things started with my liquid ingredients first. So in a large mixing bowl, I have 3 large eggs, and to the eggs, I'm going to add in 3/4 cups of whole milk. And I brought this up to room temperature. You want to have everything at room temp. Pour that right in. Next, I'm going to add in 1/2 cup of cooking oil. You can use canola, vegetable, avocado, or even a light olive oil. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of strawberry extract. Now, if you can't find this, your cupcakes are still going to taste absolutely incredible, but this just adds even more strawberry flavor. And I'll also add in 3/4 cups of white granulated sugar. And I'm going to grab my mixer and mix this all together for about 2 to 3 minutes until the eggs are well beaten and I have a smooth and uniform mixture. And now for my dry ingredients, I have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. To this, I'm going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Just mix this all together. And I'm going to sift the dry ingredients into the cake batter. And you want to do this to make sure you don't get any clumps of flour or baking powder in your cupcakes. And then grab your mixer and mix this again for 30 seconds to a minute, just until the cake batter is smooth. And now for my last ingredient, the strawberries. I have 1 cup of diced strawberries. I'm gonna drop that into the cake batter. I'm gonna grab a spatula and very gently fold those in. And our strawberry cupcake batter is all ready to go. And then for baking these strawberry cupcakes, you can line your cupcake pan with paper liners, or you could spray the inside with a baking spray just like I did. And this baking spray has a little bit of flour, so it's going to help prevent anything from sticking to the sides. And then we're gonna grab a scoop and fill these up. I like to fill them just about halfway. You don't wanna overfill them, otherwise they're going to bake and go over the top. And these cupcakes are ready to go into my preheated oven. They're going to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 18 to 22 minutes. They need to be light golden brown on the top, and then when a toothpick is inserted into the center, it should come out clean when they're done. So when they're done, just take them out of the pans onto a wire rack and let them cool completely. Meanwhile, it's going to be a really great time to make our strawberry buttercream. And for my strawberry buttercream, I'll be using 2 cups of softened unsalted butter. So I just softened this at room temperature. I'm gonna drop this into my mixer bowl. And the secret to a really great buttercream is getting the butter really light and fluffy before you add anything else. So once I've added all my butter in here, I'm going to turn on my mixer to a medium-high speed for about 7 to 8 minutes. And I'm going to scrape down the sides of my bowl periodically with a spatula until that butter is really light and creamy. And this butter is ready to have the rest of my ingredients added, but I want to show you guys the texture that you're going for. So this butter is just really light and fluffy. It's like this pale cream color. This is what your butter should look like. Next, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of the same strawberry extract we used for the cupcakes. I'm going to add that into the buttercream for some strawberry flavor. I'm going to add just a tiny little pinch of salt and 2 cups of confectioner's sugar. And I'm going to start this off on a slow speed, and I'm going to turn it up gradually and then whisk this for about 3 to 4 minutes until you have a very light and fluffy buttercream. Don't forget to scrape down those sides periodically. And now for our last ingredient, I'm going to be adding some strawberry preserves. And today I'm actually using my strawberry rhubarb jam. I have a separate video recipe for this if you want to add some homemade jam. I'm going to add in a couple tablespoons. Drop that right in. And whenever you're adding fruit to any kind of buttercream, you want to add it last, like very, very last. Once you have the buttercream all done, otherwise it can separate. Added 2 tablespoons, that adds 1 more. So 3 tablespoons. Then I'm going to mix this for about 15 to 20 seconds. You don't want to over mix it. Mix it in just until it's incorporated. And now that my frosting is all done, I'm going to transfer it into a pastry bag. And today I'm using a Teco tip number 847. It's a closed star tip. Just grab a spatula, transfer that in. This buttercream is just so light and fluffy, guys. Check that out. It's just so creamy and rich. It's going to taste so good on top of those cupcakes. And my strawberry cupcakes have cooled completely, so now it's time to add the buttercream. It's really important that you wait until these are completely cooled, otherwise the buttercream is going to melt right off of them. So grab your pastry bag and it's time to pipe. This is my favorite part about making cupcakes. I love decorating them. Add a nice generous mat on top. These are going to be so delicious. And that's it, guys, for my strawberry cupcakes. These turned out so adorable and cute. I had some little tiny strawberries from the farmer's market, so I added those on top, and it's like the perfect little garnish to finish these off. For the full recipe, make sure to head on down into that video description box. I have a link there that'll take you over to my website so you can print this recipe off and share it with your family and friends. And now time to dig in and enjoy. And in my opinion, the best way to eat cupcakes is to make a little sandwich. So what you do is you grab a knife and you split the cupcake base in half, and then you just sandwich them together. And this way you have a little bit of cake and frosting, and it's a lot easier to eat. You guys are gonna love everything about these strawberry cupcakes. They are so delicious. That cake is so light and fluffy and moist, and it's just dotted with the fresh strawberries on the inside. And that strawberry buttercream is just a heavenly dream. It is so light and fluffy. I love the addition of the strawberry rhubarb in there. Adds a little bit of tartness to the buttercream. Absolutely amazing. You guys are gonna love these. Don't forget to head on down into that video description box for the full link. It'll take you over to my website. I hope you guys enjoyed this video recipe. I hope you enjoy these cupcakes at home, and I'll see you next time with a new recipe.